Okay, here's the latest drawing. Refrigerator goes back over here to the left. Got refrigerator panels on either side. Refrigerator wall cabinet with crown molding. There's under cabinet molding under the wall cabinet. Dishwasher. Sink base. This is a regular sink base. I've removed the farmer sink, so if you want to go back to the farmer sink, I can. Double trash pull out here with a working drawer. This is a mini pantry with a pull out that you can put oils, etc. Stove, microwave, wall cabinet, under cabinet molding, wall cabinet, crown molding, bank of 4 drawers, pantry cabinet with roll-out shelves. The island length is 107 inches. The island depth is about 38 inches. The corner of this island here lines up about with the side of this panel, the right side of the refrigerator. This edge here is a little past the center of the sink, right around there. The space here, actually let me resituate this. Actually, let me go over the island. We got a bank of 3 drawers. A cabinet here with roll-out shelves and 2 doors that swing opposite of each other in a drawer. Bank of 3 drawers. Now the coffee bar is still open up. It's still open up for debate, I would say. The depth of the coffee bar, right here, is 16 inches. The width of the existing coffee bar is 39 inches. The space from this corner to this corner is about 33 inches. The more I make the depth of this coffee bar and the width of the coffee bar shrinks this number. So keep that in mind. And we of course have the bench under the window. Perhaps you can clarify what you'd like me to do for the coffee bar. We can shrink the island to make the coffee bar bigger. I don't think we want to move the island this way, because it might conflict with a refrigerator. So that's what we have, latest and greatest.